Hello, Shinobi Shigendo here, and I just wanted to tell you about this really cool book I read. It's called Online Income Blueprints, Volume 1, by James B. Allen. The man's a genius. What he did is he interviewed 14 highly successful entrepreneurs and shared their secrets step by step on how to follow in their footsteps. It was amazing. I know my life will be forever changed. You see, you too can gain these secrets to wealth. Fast cash using sources free, already out there in the public. Look, I'm not going to share all the secrets with you now, but you can find out for yourself. Go to Amazon.com and look up James B. Allen's new book, Online Income Blueprints, Volume 1. You'll be glad you did.